The moment you see the final rails that we complete for a client, this particular one is made by 7/16 twisted bars, and the post is a solid post, square and twisted one by one. The rails finally come so beautiful. As you can see, we combine with those knuckles on the floor. It was a big task because we had to make holes on every step and leveling every single rod. Guys, we got another video here from ironguys.com. We are doing a rail here for a client, and Angel here, he's doing the welding on the rods. As you can see there, we starting the welding part by covering the floor. Those are special blankets for sparks. As you can see, the door is covered everywhere because we are afraid to burn the steps. This type of rails installed and the steps like that, you cannot make those on the shop because it has to be on the job site, and that's very tedious because we've been have to covering the floors, and it has a lot of time on labor. As you can see, we do welding everywhere. We have to be covering all the time, and the good thing about that, we prime those rods and all the material before we start do the rails. So that was the easiest part because we don't have to touch the whole work. We have to put that ruler on the top to make sure the rails come straight. There is the decorative rail on the top, as you can see, and the endings, they come out really nice. I think in the end we just present a beautiful project to the client. He really loves it. As you can see, the character of the rails, they're awesome. Hope you enjoyed this video and you like it. For me, it's very impossible to be working and recording at the same time, so that's why I try to get as much clips possible to show you guys how we've been doing all my work. As you can see, that's really clean, nice. The knuckles, they're not aligned because we're not gonna do welding the knuckles because we're gonna hit a lot the metal and we're gonna burn the floors. So we're gonna try to use some really black sticky silicone. Okay, well, that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Here I'll show you another different things that is coming out already, new wave of pillars. So I think people, they're gonna want to change the pillars on their houses. They wanted to do a different type of fences on their houses to decorate them. So, well, Welding, Ironworks, and all this meeting is coming with a new wave. Everybody wants to do something different, so they want to have a nice status. As you can see, that's a beautiful, beautiful fence with the pillars. Okay, enjoy your day, have fun. See you in the next video.